what's going on, fam? So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Subscribe and turn on all the notification icon bell for my channel. I know there's more of you watching my channel than only a few, so definitely like, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon bell to support my channel. I really appreciate it. So a lot of my subscribers wanted me to do the 50% tint that I did on my headlights. They wanted to see how it looks at night, so I'm gonna make a review on that for you guys. And just so you know, I got it on eBay. Just type in 2019 or 2018, 2020 Honda Accord Sport 1.5 headlight tints. You'll see Crux Motorsports get his, but at checkout, type in the note, I want lighter tint, then they'll automatically send you the 50% one. But if you don't write that in the checkout, they're gonna say 20%. I had 20% before and I couldn't see anything at night, literally only 50 feet. But with these, I could see, like, again, 450 feet, 500 feet, whatever, like just maybe 50% less than a stock headlight you would see. But these tints are perfect, 50%. So I'm gonna make the video, the back camera, and I'll show you guys how it looks at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the unlock button. There you go. Look at that, it's perfect. That's the fog lights, of course. Then you got the headlight right there. Look at that. It's all white. It's all bright. I couldn't see that before with the 20%. So let's go for a drive and I'll show you guys how it is on the road. That is one crazy cold start, guys. This is nuts. Downpipe caddy, front pipe, resonator delete, muffler delete, and it's a stage 2. That's a cold start. So that's how you can see at night. I couldn't see anything. Now I can actually see, like, perfectly fine. I can see all the signs, I can see everything. I can see the road on the ground. Before it was complete dark. It's a red light. Let's get that. Alright, almost green. I got the intake, and the video's coming on that soon too. Yeah, I just floor it and you hear pops. That's how it looks at night, guys. I'm trying to give you the best view. My windshield's a bit dirty. Sorry about that. But yeah, I hope you guys are satisfied with it. I mean, before I couldn't see anything. Now I can see it, like, really far. Like, I can see that stop sign all the way down there at the end. You can't even see it in the camera. Nice. Hold watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and I hope you liked that video. And thanks for supporting the channel. Make sure to comment below so I can get to know you guys, like everyone, the usernames. And I got 20 more subscribers I need for to start the giveaway for the first time. And yeah, thanks for supporting the channel, and stay tuned and stay safe. Later.